Hi, I'm Miss Kristen with the Western Sullivan Public Library, and I am here to take you on a tour of how to do the craft that is our make and take this week, and it is called yarn painting. So, if you are gathering supplies at home, what you'll need is self-adhesive sticky tape. So this one's from Avery. You'll need just a bag of scrap yarn, little pieces. Tape will help to hold that down. And then if you have scissors, a ruler, if you have something like cardstock, that's what will be in your make and take packet. But if you don't, that's okay. It's really just to use to sort of hold stuff down. So go and gather your materials, and I'll meet you back here. All right, so now that you're back and you have everything you need, we'll start by peeling off the back for the self-adhesive tape. Okay, so now you're going to want to put that face up. So mine happens to have a little strip at the bottom that did not peel off. So that will make it easier to hold on to. If yours doesn't, that's no big deal. So we're just going to take little pieces of tape on the edges so we know where we're going. Now this is definitely optional. If you don't do this, there's just a good chance that your canvas will slide all over. Okay, so now we're ready to get started. So it's not much to look at. So I just have a bunch of scraps, which you'll get if you pick up your packet of different sizes. And I am going to take my scraps and place them onto my sticky paper so the yarn will stick to the paper. Now the cool part is it does actually come off. So if you do something that you don't like, it's not a big deal. You could take it off, and then when we're done, we're going to seal it in. So that's not anything you need to worry about. All right, so let's get going. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed our fast motion pace of how I put this together. I just happened to make a flower, but your art does not have to represent anything. You can just make a mix of colors and swirls and anything that you'd like for your picture to represent. So once you've done that, you're gonna want to peel off the sticky tape, the tape from the sticky paper. So this is any self-adhesive paper. And we're going to take our second piece and peel off the back from that as well. Okay. So now, once we have that done, I'm going to take the sticky side face down so that it covers up, and maybe I will take mine off, I'm not sure. We want to cover it up so that we don't lose that beautiful yarn. So I'm going to put the edges together. They're exact same size. So when I cut them, I folded it in half to make sure that I had the right side for when I was done. And then I'm going to start at one end and just slide the paper down. So I have a little bubble, so I'm just going to pick it up here and hope it doesn't mess up my whole picture. So maybe it would be smart if you didn't put the whole thing on top of it, right? All right, but we got it. All right, we're gonna slide that down. Now, if you happen to have this strip like I did, I'm gonna slice that off. Okay, so now I have some window art made of yarn. And if you have a hole punch, you want to put a hole punch in the top and maybe a second piece of yarn, you can hang it from your window. You can fill all this in, and the light will actually shine through these little holes so that your whole page can be filled in. So you get to do whatever you want. I'd love to see a photo of what you guys have done. Please send them to me at wspl.childrens@gmail.com. So if you've liked this video and you don't have the supplies at home, you can email me at the same address and I will put together a craft packet for you, and we can decide when's a good time for you to pick it up and at which one of our branches. So I hope you've enjoyed our video and doing the craft, and I'd love to see what you guys make. Please keep me posted, and we'll see you soon.